Hi, welcome to my channel, Takniki Gyan Guru. Today we'll learn what is prime number. So we'll give you a demo on C also. So prime number is a natural number greater than 1 that has no positive divisor other than 1 and itself. In other words, a prime number is a whole number greater than 1 that cannot be formed by multiplying two smaller natural number other than 1 and itself. Means the natural number should be greater than 1, right? And divide it can be only divided by 1 and itself. If it can be divided by other number, that in that case that number won't be a prime number, right? And result of multiplication of two numbers, right? So for example, like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 8, 19 is are prime numbers. So these numbers can't be divided by any number other than 1 and itself. Like for example, like 2. Suppose 2 can be divided by 1 and itself 2, right? So we can't divide by other than other number, right? So because we can't divide it by other numbers, it can be divided only 1 and itself 2. That is why it is called prime number. So 2 will be a prime number. Similarly, 3 can be divided by 1 and 3, and it can't be divided by other number. So in that case also, because 3 can't be divided by other number, it can be divided only 1 and itself. That is why it is also called prime number. And let's say 4. 4 can be divided by 1, 2, and 4 itself, right? So 1 can be divided by 2 itself, can also be divided, and by 2 also will be divided. So 2, because we can divide by 2 other than 1 and 3, 1 and 4, that is why we call is not prime number. This is will not be a prime number. Similarly, like 5 can be divided by 1 and 5, and there is no number from for that number we can divide to the 5. So 5 is also a prime number. Let's say a 6, right? 6 can be divided by 1 itself, 6, and 2 and 3, because we can divide by 2 and 3. That is why 6 is not a prime number. So we understood the prime number. Let's move to the code for the demo. Now we are in VS Code. I have already write a function, the code for prime number. So let's understand. This is the stdui.h and include stdbool.h for true and false. So created one function that will check the number is prime or not. So bool is prime in the function. We are passing the number. That number should be checked whether it is prime or not. So first of all, we'll check the number is less than or equals to 1. If number is less than equals to 1, then that case the number is not prime, right? Prime number should be more than 1, greater than 1, right? So first check is if the number is less than equals to 1, then that case that is it will return false. False means it is not a prime number. Then we have done a for loop that will check, like, suppose we have pass 1, in that case it is not prime. If we pass 2, right? So I equals to 2, 2, I equals to 2 into 2, 4. 4 is less than equals to num equals to 2. We pass 2, right? So let's understand, like here. So let's understand. If we pass number 2, right? Then it will come to I equals to 2. I equals to 2 into 2 means 2. I into I, 2 into 2 equals to 4. Here it is 4 is less than equals to number is 2, right? Number is 2. this one. So 4 is less than equals to 2? No. 4 is greater than equals to 2, right? In that case, this condition is false, right? Then it will move to the uh, so it will false, then it will return true, correct? Now, if we are passing 3, number 3, then I equals to 2, I means 2 into 2 equals to 4, less than equals to number 3. Then it will move to the next I plus plus, I equals to 3. 3 into 3 equals to 9. 9 is less than 3. That means 9 is less than 3. Condition false. Then number is done, right? 2 and 3. 2 times will run, and then it will pass on the for loop and it will return true. So 2 and 3 is um, prime number. Now let's move to 4, right? 4, now first of all run 2, 2 into 2, 4 less than equals to 4, it means it is 4, right? 2 into 4, there is 4 is less than equals to 4, I plus plus, then it move to the next statement. Number percentage I, number equals to 4, percentage 2 equal to 0. So number into 2 means 0, right? Because 2 we can divide by 4, can be divided by 2. So when 4 can be divided by 2, that is called 0, right? So in that case it will return false. So let's this is the true and false returning. Then in the main function, the entry point, here I am just defining one number, int number, printing enter a number. User needs to enter percentage number, right? So we are this number will be entered by the user. Then this number, right, we are calling the I prime function and pushing the number into this function, and this function will check the number is true or false. The prime number, if true, then print the number is prime number, right? And if it is false, then return is the number is not prime number. So let's run and check. Now run this command, this program. This will run and ask for the number. We will enter the number and check the number is prime. Okay, it is asking, let's say 19. 19 is a prime number, and run it again. Let's say 15. 15 is not a prime number because it can be divisible by 5, 3, right? So it is not a prime number. So let's move to the slide. So we have understood the prime number. Also, we have seen a demo in C. So this will end to our video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, don't hesitate to comment. We'll definitely come back with the solution if you have any question queries. Till then, thank you so much. Bye.